Namaste everyone, my name is Shubham Bansal and welcome to my channel Know My Work. So this is my brother's office and I have come here to set up a working setup for my work brother on one of the desks available here. If you have seen one of my previous videos in which I had set up the working setup in my home, where I had set up a three monitor arm from Rife Technologies, 24-inch monitors from Dell, a Cosmic Byte CBGK30 mechanical keyboard, a Lenovo wired mouse, and a docking station from Dell. So you can see that video, it is about a year old, in which I had set up a work from home setup. Looking at that setup, my brother had also asked me to set up a similar kind of thing in his office. Not at that scale, like I am using a docking station and multiple monitors at my home, but what he wanted was a single monitor mounted on a single monitor arm and a mechanical keyboard, a wired mouse, and that can be connected to a laptop. And he doesn't have, because he will not be using a lot of accessories and multiple monitors. He doesn't have a requirement for a docking station. So today I am going to set up using a single monitor arm from Rife Technologies, mechanical keyboard from Cosmic Byte of model CBGK60. It's a RGB mechanical keyboard. It's a bit pricey, bit costlier than the other mechanical keyboard that I'm using at my home. The model of which is that mechanical keyboard is also from the Cosmic Bytes with model name as CBGK30. So this is about the setup, like a single monitor arm from the Rife Technologies, a mechanical keyboard from Cosmic Byte, a wired mouse, and like I had a spare 24-inch monitor from Dell at my home, so I brought the same monitor to set it up here. Because it's a spare, so it is of no use for me at home, so my brother will be using it, and using these things I will be setting up a working setup at one of the desks in his office, and that desk is going to be this. So I will begin with the unboxing of the things that I have ordered from the Amazon, that is a single monitor arm and a mechanical keyboard, and let's begin with this. So guys, I am starting with the unboxing of a single monitor arm from the Rife Technologies. So this is how the things are packaged inside this box, and this is the booklet. It has instructions to set up this monitor arm, so using this only we will be setting this up. I have the bills, so let's keep this aside and let's get the things out of the box and then set it up. One of the things with the Rife Technologies, because I have ordered a 3-monitor arm previously, the quality of the product is very good. Though the last time the packaging was not very good, but this time the packaging is also good and the quality of the material is also very good. Now now we are going to unbox the Cosmic by keyboard that I have ordered for the setup and the Lenovo wired mouse. So like there's the thing with Amazon, like you can't predict like what will be the box size. For small things they generally pack, like if the packaging is small for the things that you are ordering, they might come in a big package. The same case has happened for my keyboard and mouse. I will also be sharing the links of all the products that I'm showing in this video, and if you will buy the products through those links, I will also get a remuneration out of those. So if you want to, I will say that if you are thinking to buy these products, please buy them through the links that I have provided in the description. So guys, I have completed the setup of this single monitor mounted on a monitor arm with this mechanical keyboard from Cosmic Bytes and a wired mouse. So I will be having a separate video about the my review about this mechanical keyboard from Cosmic Bytes, and because I am already using a different model of mechanical keyboard from the Cosmic Bytes only. So I will also be comparing both of these keyboards, like which one you should go for, or like what are the like are they really different, or you can opt any one out of them. Like this one that you are seeing in this video right now, it's a bit costlier than the previous one that I'm using at my home, but we will compare both of them. So with this I will end this video, and I have put the Best Buy links in the description. So if you want to buy any of these items, you can go through these links and can buy these items on Amazon. I have myself bought all these items from the Amazon itself. I am not endorsing anything, but like sometimes we feel someone, like we feel like from where we can like easily buy these things. So I have bought all of these things from the Amazon, so you can also buy from there, but it's a choice. I am not enforcing anything on you. So if you want, you can follow the links provided in the description and buy these products.